Tablet compression process BV Goul, PhD Government College of Pharmacy, Amravati 444 604, MS. Tablet compression machine hopper, for holding and feeding granulation to be compressed feed shoe, for moving granulation from the hopper into the dies. Define the size and shape of tablet upper and lower punches, for compressing the granulation within the dies upper and lower cam tracks, for guiding the movement of the punches fig. Single punch tablet stamping press tablet compression steps filling metering compression ejection the complete tablet. Manufacturing cycle occurs in 4 steps: filling, the die is filled, metering, the fill weight is adjusted, compression, the tablet is compacted, and ejection, the tablet ejected from the die. Common stages occurring during compression. Stage 1, top punch is withdrawn from the die by the upper cam. Bottom punch is low in the die so powder falls in through the hole and fills the die. Stage 2, bottom punch moves up to adjust the powder weight, it raises and expels some powder. Stage 3, top punch is driven into the die by upper cam. Bottom punch is raised by lower cam. Both punch heads pass between heavy rollers to compress the powder. Stage 4, top punch is withdrawn by the upper cam. Lower punch is pushed up and expels the tablet. Tablet is removed from the die surface by surface plate. Stage 5, return to stage 1. Multi-station rotary press is called rotary because the head of the tablet machine that holds the upper punches, dies and lower punches in place rotates. As the head rotates, the punches are guided up and down by fixed cam tracks, which control the sequence of filling, compression and ejection. The portions of the head that hold the upper and lower punches are called the upper and lower turrets, respectively. The portion holding the dies is called the die table. Multi-station rotary presses compression cycle granules stored in a hopper, not shown, empties into the feed frame, containing several interconnected compartments. These compartments spread the granulation over a wide area to provide time for the dies, to fill. The pull-down cam, guides the lower punches to the bottom, allowing the dies to overfill. The punches then pass over a weight control cam, which reduces the fill in the dies to the desired amount. A swipe-off blade, at the end of the feed frame removes the excess granules. Compression cycle: the lower punches travel over the lower compression roll, while simultaneously the upper punches ride beneath the upper compression roll, The upper punches enter a fixed distance into the dies, while the lower punches are raised to squeeze and compact the granules within the dies. After the moment of compression, the upper punches are withdrawn as they follow the upper punch raising cam, The lower punches ride up the cam, which brings the tablets flush with or slightly above the surface of the dies. The tablets strike a sweep-off blade affixed to the front of the feed frame, and slide down a chute into a receptacle. At the same time, the lower punches re-enter the pull-down cam, and the cycle is repeated.